Of stuff here, great music, great people as a whole. Hey everybody, and welcome to the East Coast Auto Expo. We're here at the Big E in Springfield, Massachusetts to check out some of the cool things that can go on in New England that you yourself can sign up for. I see a lot of clubs. I'm trying to look for some businesses. I've only been on the outside real quick to run around to kind of give you an update on it, but we're going to be out. We're going to take some videos of this. We're going to show you all the different cars in here. We're going to take a look around inside. It's going to be awesome. You guys are going to stay tuned.
You
thought that I was the only one to have an FTO around. Well, there's the other one. So we got to drive that, not this one, but the other one. So there's two just like this. The other one's wide body though. I'm sure there's a lot more hiding. So if you guys see anything, put it in the comments. So that's it, repping the Import Evolution car, E-Series Mercedes. Yeah, I'm thinking that's my car right there. Make something really nice like that, that's easily gonna be my favorite one here. So we're here at the Import Evolution tent, and as always, these guys bring the party. Import Evolution has done a ton of shows. They're pretty much the staple show in New England, but they brought their game on the road, so they're doing Florida, a bunch of other events. So if you have a chance, stop by their website, check them out. I'm sure you'll find something near you, and come out and see one of the coolest shows I've ever attended. We're at the dyno right now. Let's see what this Miata can make. Okay, so what did he make for numbers?
Let's see, for max power, holy moly, I didn't expect that much. 114 horsepower. At
Told you!
Holy crap! And then torque for max 111 foot-pounds of torque.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
And this, you haven't done that much of anything. It's pretty much stock everything.
No, just a Raceland header and a deleted cat and a muffler. That's it.
So you guys, you got to bring your cars to get dynoed because you're going to get shocked like him. All right, that's it for us over here at East Coast Auto Expo. I'm telling you, over here dynoing a Supra. That's awesome. So yeah, so we're gonna sign off for today. I'm just gonna eye my favorite car right behind me right there. But we're gonna have some more videos to come, some more stuff is gonna be good. Obviously, we're trying to do some more live stream stuff, and all based on connectivity. So that's gonna be our thing. So as long as we can connect, we can go live. And so if you want us out to us, get in touch with us. Otherwise, check out these videos over here. Make sure you come out to the next one. Don't forget to say hi. And as always, don't forget to drive.